Okay, so today, this video, we want to discuss about the measurement of the centrality. Okay, there are three uh, tools or three value to measure the centrality of the data, which is the mean or rata-rata Indonesia, and then median and mode or modus in Indonesia. Okay. Okay, so we have 10 data. So this is the first data, second data, third data, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay, so we have 10th data, which is the length of the leaf, and then this is the length is measured in centimeter. So this is all in centimeter. This is, sorry, this is say that 22, okay? Okay, so we want to measure the mean of the data. Mean is uh, described as mu for population, and x hat for samples. Okay. Okay, so we use x hat here, the mean of the data. Okay, which is you sum up all of the data. Okay, xi for I from 1 to n, and then you divide it by n. Okay, the number of sample. So in our example here, we have n is 10 data. So the mean value, okay, you sum up all of the data. So this is the first data, 20, and then you plus it 16, the second data, then plus 19, plus 25, plus 17, and then plus 17, plus 16, plus 17.5, plus 17, plus 22. Okay. You sum up all of the value, and then you divide it by n. You divide it by 10 data. Okay. And you can sum up all of the data here. You can use calculator, or you can use any other tool. So here I will use calculator. 20 plus 16 plus 19 plus 25 plus 17. Oh, excuse me. 20, I repeat it from the beginning, plus 16. 20 plus 16 plus 19 plus 25 plus 17 plus 17 plus 16 plus 17.5 plus 17 plus 22, and you have 186. 186.5 over 10 divided by 10, then you have 18.65. So this is the mean value of the data. So our data is centered about 18.65. Okay. Okay. So this is the first measurement and how we calculate it by adding up all of the data, and you divide it by the number of the data. Okay. So the second method to measure the centrality is to use median. Okay. Median is the center of the data after you after you sort. First, we sort the data. Sort the data. Okay. You sort the data from the smallest to the largest. Okay. From smallest to the largest. And then if you sort this data from the smallest to the largest, then your smallest data is 16, right? 16. And then the second data is 16. And then the bigger one is 17. And this is 17. And then this is another 17. And this is 17.5. And then after that, you have 19, right? At 19. Then you have 20. Okay, is 20. Then you have 22, this one here. And then you have 25 as the last data, okay? 25. So this is the data after you sort it from the smallest to the biggest, okay? And then you want to find the center of the data or the median of the data, then you cancel out from the left and the right, okay? This one, you cancel out. This one, you cancel this one. And then this one. And then this one. Okay, so this is the center of your data, okay? 17 and 17.5, yeah. When you have 17 and 17.5, the median is this one here. Median is you take the average value of 17 plus 17.5, okay? And you divide it by 2, right? And then you have, this is 34.5 over 2, and you divide it by 2, you have 17.25. So this is the median of your data, okay? And then the last measurement of centrality is, okay, I use this color, is the mode. Mode means the most frequent value that appear. The most frequent value that appear, okay, in the data, okay? So you can count it if your data is quite small, you can count it, or which one is the most appear value, or you can make a table. Okay, let's make a table. This is the table. So this is the value. And this is the tally or the torus. And then this is the frequency of occurrence, right? So from the smallest value, you have a 16 here. So 16. It appear twice, yeah. It appear twice. And then 17. It appear 1, 2, and 3 times. And then the next value is 17.5. 17.5. And the occurrence is only 1. Sorry. The tally is the tally is, okay. 17 is 1, 2, 3, and then the is 1, and then 19 is 1, and then 20 is 1, and then 22 is 1, and then 25 is also 1. So this is the frequency of occurrence is 2 times, 3 times, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Okay. If you sum up the total, and then you get 10 data. So which value that occur the most? So this is the value that occur most 3 times, which is 17. Okay. So in this case, the mode of this data is 17, which occurs 3 times. Okay. So this is 3 value that indicate the centrality of the data: the mean, the median, and the mode. Okay. As you see from our data here, okay, that our mean value is 18.65, and then the median of the data is 16.25. This is quite close. And then the mode of the data is 17. As you see that this value is around 17 to 18. So this is the centrality of your data. This data has centrality about 17 to 18. So I think this is all about the central op measurement, and then in the next video we will discuss about the dispersion of the data. Thank you very much and see you soon.